Hey, what's up, seventh grade students? Hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful sunshine that we got today. It's Sunday afternoon, Mother's Day. Make sure you guys thank your moms for being great and awesome people. Anyway, just wanted to get a couple things out of the way here and get you guys working on this last week that we are going to be together as far as schoolwork goes. Um, my plan's pretty simple. I'm going to try to give you guys some stuff Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday are going to kind of be makeup days. So for anyone that still needs to get some work done, I got to have all work turned in to me by Friday. No later than that. Otherwise, I can't get it in the grade book for you guys. So I got to have all work in by Friday. So my hope is that by ending things on Wednesday, that gives some of you time to get in and finish up the things that you guys need to do for me, okay? All right, so last week we were working on a really hard concept, balancing chemical equations. And I know some of you guys probably understood it, some of you guys didn't. It would go way better if we could all be together, but unfortunately we can't right now. So what my hope is that you guys were able to try to pick up on a few things with it. If you really are truly struggling with it, don't panic. I'm not going to make you do a whole lot more balancing. I might have a problem or two on Wednesday for you to complete, but we'll talk about it then. But anyway, last Friday, I asked you guys to try to balance the chemical equation for photosynthesis. And I'm going to go ahead and reveal that to you guys right now. And I know I've had a few people have sent me in their answers already. And I'm going to just go ahead. I've actually written the whole thing out. What I'm going to ask you guys to do is if you got it, great. If you didn't get it, make sure that you guys take a screenshot or pause the video so you can write this down, because you are going to need to know this equation for the activity we're going to do tomorrow on Tuesday, and that's going to be the Skittles lab. So here we go, guys. Our reveal for photosynthesis. Here is the correct equation. Okay, you'll notice that in order to make this equation actually work out, we got to have 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, 6 molecules of water. We shake it around with some light energy. It creates 1 molecule of glucose, C6H12O6, and it makes 6 molecules of oxygen. So all 6s, except for this blank right here. This one's empty. There's nothing in there. That is the equation for photosynthesis. Make sure you guys get that written down. Make sure that you guys have that someplace, because we are going to be referring back to it for our activity for Tuesday, which is going to be the Skittles lab. All right. What I'm also going to do for you guys is I'm going to give you the other side of this equation right now. And there's 2 parts to this. In order for photosynthesis to occur within a plant, it's got to have the ingredients that it needs. It's got to have carbon dioxide. It's got to have water. Those 2 things are things that they get not only from the atmosphere itself, but also from us as humans, because we're continually breathing off carbon dioxide. So guys, what we are going to look at now is we are going to take that photosynthesis equation and we're going to almost flip-flop everything around in order to make what we call cellular respiration. So what you're going to want to do is, again, take a screenshot, pause the video once I put this formula up so that you guys can see exactly how cellular respiration works. So here we go. Cellular respiration is quite simple. Notice that I have it there, AKA breathing, because you guys are respirating right now and you're giving off carbon dioxide. So pretty awesome. But what you guys are going to notice about this equation, instead of starting with carbon dioxide and water, like we usually did over here for photosynthesis, we're flipping the reactants with the products. So what we're going to start this process with is, inside of our body, we have little molecules of glucose. We're going to add 6 oxygens to that. We're then going to take some of that ATP energy that our cells create, and we're going to shake it all up. And what's going to happen, guys, is our body's going to use the sugars and that oxygen to continue doing all the life processes that we have. And what it ends up creating is it ends up creating carbon dioxide and water. And in this case, it's not like liquid water, it's water vapor. So this is what we're breathing out every time we exhale from the oxygen that we have taken in. So this is called cellular respiration, and this is going to be the flipping or the flip side of photosynthesis. We cannot have one process without the other. So guys, if there was no cellular respiration, we wouldn't have photosynthesis. If there was no photosynthesis, we wouldn't have any cellular respiration. Take a screenshot, write it down. Make sure you guys keep that someplace. This formula is not quite as vital to us right at the moment as photosynthesis is, but it is something that's good for us to know. All right, so what I need you guys to do then for me is make sure you have those two equations. Tomorrow for Tuesday, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do the Skittles lab so that we can actually have like a map and see how this actually ends up working out, okay? All right, we'll check you guys then a little bit later.